The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall, skilla.
What do you call that? Skills. This not this counterfeit, love.
I counterfeit?
Yeah.
Lock up like that, lock up like no. Where get that from the bank? Chain. So all that money is counterfeit. We gotta go to the station like now. Right? Go to the station.
I will back by the man and get back my chain.
No, go to the station. I'm telling you, our officer, go to the station. If you go to the station, they will ride down, you know that? They want to get a lock up there. That is 10 years. Well, you get back your thing when the police go by the man, you get back your chain. But you have to go to the station like no. Otherwise, if you go long, you walk so. You walk anyway. And I see you. 10 years. Don't throw it away, go in the station because you go back your thing. Go in the station like no. Alright. Alright, well.
I'll go in over for
take what I'm telling you.
I'll go, but I do back my thing.
Don't say it wasn't one, eh?
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I just presented to you a video that shows when a person had been told that the money he was trying to spend are counterfeit money. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, I take a look at this video, and according to some things that I saw and heard in this video, it had me thinking, you know. One of the things that have me thinking about this video is how the person react when he had been told that the money he's trying to spend are counterfeit money. You see? Anyways, viewers and subscribers, I want to say this to each and everyone out there. Be careful of counterfeit money. You see me? Yeah. Check your money and check the money that you receive from persons out there and even business places too as well. You understand? And if at any point you find that you have counterfeit money in your possession, hand it over to the police and give them the necessary information. You understand? Do not attempt to spend counterfeit money. You can get into a lot of trouble with the law for that. Alright? Alright. Anyways, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you. And with that, I'm going to move on to another video. Now, the next video that I am going to present to you, according to some things that have been said on social media about this video, it is said that the video shows a police officer who got caught trying to plant drugs in a shop. You see me? Some places on social media, it is said that the video shows a police officer who got caught trying to plant drugs in a business place. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, I want you to please bear in mind that I'm only telling you how I understand some things that have been said about this video on social media. And if you look right here, you will see screenshots that shows some places where this video had been posted on social media. Right, and I'm presenting these screenshots to you so that you can get the understanding that this video is out there at different places on social media. You understand? So therefore, I'm not the one confirming anything or any informations that have been put out there about this video. I'm just telling you the things that have been said on social media about this video. Anyways, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at it and you can also tell me what you think. You see me? You can tell me where you think this video had been recorded and other things as well. You see me? I do not have any confirmed information as to when this video had been recorded. Alright? However, I'm going to present the video to you right about now, and this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
I came in. I was calling madam. My madam was pregnant. I asked her, Ufuna she's talking about milk. Ufuna milk or the child.
The waiting.
Just wait.
Ufuna milk or the child. Because me I reached, I wanted to get milk. Then I remember, no, let me ask you. I asked her, Mama, ufuna milk or the child? Tengele nishani sawa. I opened the fridge. Nanyamula sour milk. Naisi anapaka untapacha. I haven't even paid for it.
Okay.
Nanyamula sawa hichi. Shope nanyamula sawa hiyo. Napeza hivi. Mwave? You, what did I do? I called you. Oloponsa bangati. Ngazina kuitana. Namuza manager wako. Let us not cause alarm. Where's your manager? Uviziba hivi. Mwave? That's the question I asked her. Asini viziba. I opened and said, Nabaye mnebu mapu chamba hii. Ichi ni chamba? Ni chamba. Mwave? If ha ngati pali muntu abwera apa planting ira. Yanipeza Mwave?
Okay,
so
I'll ask
me,
you a question.
Yes.
Officer, listen. How long has it been from the time that you had this?
From the time I got it, it's about 10 minutes now.
Are you telling me from the time that you had these things, if they were in the freezer, would they be hot and warm like they are?
That's why I'm surprised.
You wouldn't be surprised.
No,
wait.
No,
Gentlemen, just wait.
No, wait.
No, the question is simple. If I can get this thing and put it in the freezer, the next coming 10 minutes, this thing will be cold.
Definitely.
These, they are yours, your evidence.
Is it?
Yes, so we are arresting you now.
No. Boss.
Gentlemen, let's get this guy, we take him to the police.
Viewers and subscribers, if you put something in a refrigerator for 5 minutes, or if you put something in a freezer for 5 minutes, see? In my point of view, whatsoever you put in the freezer for 5 minutes, the temperature of that thing is going to change. I think the temperature of that thing is going to change once it's in the freezer for 5 minutes. You see me? But anyways, you can let me know what you think about the video and the viewers and subscribers. You see me? And I'm also wondering if the person who was talking in the background of the video is a police officer. You see me? Yeah, I'm wondering if the person who was talking in the background of the video, if the person was a police officer. You see me? Yeah, I'm wondering that as well. Alright, let me know what you think about that video, viewers and subscribers. And with that, I'm going to move on to another video. Now, the next video that I'm about to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, according to some things that have been said on social media about this video, it is said that the video shows when police officers approached an African descendant man who said that he was going for a jog. Some places on social media, it is said that the video shows when police officers approached a black man who said that he was going for a jog. And according to some things that have been said on social media about this video, it is said that the person who is said to be the African descendant man was with a friend when the incident happened. Viewers and subscribers, according to some things that have been said on social media about the video that I'm about to present to you, it is said that the video had been recorded within the UK, the United Kingdom. And many comments have been made about the video on social media, and I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself, and you can also let me know what you think about the video, alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Guys, I'm clearly going for a jog. Guess what happens? The minute I left, I'm going for a jog. Can you not see, guys?
Well, when you're stood still, and then the moment you see a police vehicle, you start running, it's a bit suspicious.
I literally live there.
It's a bit suspicious. Can I get your details?
It's exactly what I mean.
Can I get your details, please? Can I get your name?
For what?
Just to answer the system.
It's very sad.
Can I get your name, please?
What did I do?
Just one name, sir. Make sure
For what?
everything's fine.
For what reason?
To make sure everything's okay.
Nah, I didn't do nothing. I left my house 2 minutes ago. I'm going for a jog.
Well, you stood still.
This is very sad.
You stood still. You see us. You start
This is
with.
my friend. We just went.
But where's your friend gone then?
Because clearly, what was going on?
If I was with my friend would wait. So I was on the way.
We literally started 2 seconds ago.
It started 2 seconds ago. I saw on your phone.
Yeah?
I saw on your phone you
So
started.
what's the point? What's the point?
I've explained. We saw you. You stood still.
I just said we
You saw the
literally started
vehicle,
from.
and you started running.
Bro, we're literally going for a jog. I'm going for a jog. You see this, guys? I'm going for a jog. And I'm getting stopped. Nah, because I feel violated. I've never been approached by police. Never in my life. No, I'm making a scene. Look how many, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, I feel violated. No, what? I'm literally going for a jog. No. I'm recording. I'm going for a jog.
Let me explain.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
What, you're going to listen
What
to
did I
me?
do? No. I feel violated. I feel violated. Why? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going for a jog. Can you not see? Can you not see? No. I feel violated. I feel violated. No. I'm looking. Can you not see? I'm going for a jog. I'm going for a jog. No. I feel violated. I've never been stopped in my life. I've lived here for 15 years.
You stop spitting.
I've lived here for 15 years. I've never in my life been stopped. Never in my life. I feel violated. In front of public. I feel violated. You see what's going on? No.
You're going to listen to me.
No. I feel violated. What did I do?
You're being violated.
Yeah,
Give me the option to explain.
I'm going for a jog. You see a black guy running. Clearly. Yeah. Why? If I was white, would I be stopped? If I was white, and I'm asking, if I was white, would I be stopped?
You don't give me the opportunity.
I feel violated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why?
You don't give me the opportunity.
I've never in my life been stopped. Never in my life. Never in my life.
Alright.
No, I feel violated. No need. The minute I started to jog, you can see.
So you're quick enough to pull your phone out when you want to shout up.
Why? What did I do? No. Listen. I'm going for a jog. Yeah? I'm running. Yeah?
What?
You clearly thought I'm up to something. Why? Can you tell me that? I feel violated.
You're going to let me
I feel violated. Can I not go for a jog?
Stop spitting.
Okay, keep listening. I'm listening.
You're listening now, yeah? You're going to carry on shouting.
I'm listening.
Right, okay? You're in an area, mate, which probably knows the gang crime people carry knives and stuff.
Yeah?
Okay? I'd stop you.
Yeah?
Just stop in the car.
What?
Just to see what you and your friend were doing as I saw you outside that shop together.
Yeah? Shop? So I was at the shop.
Your friend's gone.
I was at the shop. I was at the shop.
He was outside the shops, I said.
When?
Okay, you should stop in the car.
When?
Simply ask you what you're doing, mate, in the area. That is all. Your behaviour has gone down here.
Because I feel violated. I feel violated. I'm going for a jog. Look, you not use initiative. Look. I got my running shoes. I got my running joggers. I got my... What goes through your mind? I don't understand. No, but why? I feel... No, I'm posting this. I feel violated. I've never in my life been arrested. Never in my life I've been arrested. Never in my fucking life I've been arrested. I feel violated. Nah, you look disgusted on here, man. Disgusting, man. Disgusting, man. Disgusting, very disgusting. Disgusting, man. Disgusting. You see what's going on now? Clearly, you see what's going on.
We tried to explain to you.
No, but you see what's going on. Look what's going on. And the fact that you see a black guy going for a jog.
Well, if you gave me your opportunity to explain,
No, but
case, is it?
if you were in my shoes, you understand how I feel. And what's going on?
We tried to explain to you.
Well, what did you gain from this? You embarrass yourself. What did you? What? No. But I feel no. Of course, it's a sensitive matter. You don't know what's going around. You don't know what's going in my. You don't know what's going on through my. I can't even talk. That's how I feel violated, man. No apology, nothing. You embarrass me. You embarrass me in my local neighborhood. Whoa. How do you think I feel? What did you gain from this? You look very embarrassed, man. Disgusting, bro. Very disgusting, bro, man.
Alright, so dear avid viewers and subscribers, you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on. Alright, let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you, and here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm my name Dancehall Skilla. I'm gonna big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla.
Yeah, man.
Hey yo, skilla.
You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.